Okay, friend. Yeah.
We all are
VIP will say, right?
check frame with back.
Okay. This panic Raman will apply. Okay, you standing like this, Raman here, stand here. Okay. Stop there here. So VIP sit for excellent. Okay. Frame here.
Yes.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's your gun? Make one more gun also. Yeah. If you have to rush it. Yeah. Okay. Now 3 1, right? So what you do? Friend will come. You stand here. Sit there. Yeah. Don't sit like VIP. He's VIP. You cannot sit like VIP. Right? Using one cup. And you can drop right from here. You put the knife first. The knife first. And while you serve the cup, and you put the knife. Just like that. Okay? And then he's taking the drink. So you put the cup. He's almost taking the drink. You like that. You stop. Do this. So he dropped the knife. Boom. Right? Then from here, you drop the knife. You pull the gun. Right? You also like standing up. Right? This time Raman will come. Okay, Raman will come here. Raman will come. Drop the knife. Okay, pull out the gun. This one you drop already. Okay. Hold down, boom. From here. There. Just like that. You just pull like that. Like okay, pull. Then Raman come. Right? Okay? You also rush here. Right? Raman, your job is after that, when he pull the knife, you cut. Right? Your job, turn this one against him, then you come and catch the knife, you go closer to him. Push him away. Right? Push him away. Raman, you don't push them, take care of him. Stay there. Cover him. If not, nobody cover him, other people come and bang him. Right? Alright, you got it? Okay.